We have to play the grumpy old man card for a minute. Why is nobody talking about the fact that Father's Day falls on a Sunday? Our boys get 52 of them this year, while we get one lousy one that's all about us, which falls on the same day. We're calling BS on that one. What'll it be this year? Socks? A new razor? One of those little desktop cacti that we'll forget to water? This is Review to You. We review all the latest and greatest Amazon products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. All you gotta do is like this video, hit that subscribe button, and keep an eye out for the secret hashtag hidden somewhere in today's video. You'll need it if you want to be in the running to win. If two's company and three's a crowd, then consider this week's video congested with giveaways. We have an Amazon gift card, the Edifier D12 tabletop speaker, and a Go-Tour telescopic fly fishing rod. We're kidding, of course. We really aren't grouches. Matt and I understand that dads are notoriously hard to buy for on Father's Day. We'll concede that once you become part of the polo shirt, denim shorts, and white New Balance sneaker wearing brigade, the only other logical gift is either a fanny pack or a cell phone holster. Classic dad attire. But this week, we have a giveaway that's just a tad cooler than a middle-aged married man with 2 kids. There's a $100 Amazon gift card so you can buy whatever you want from the online platform with no questions asked, or without having to awkwardly inquire whether your kids kept the receipt for the golf club cover they just bought, seeing as you don't even own a set of golf clubs. Next up is the Edifier D12 tabletop speaker, which is actually a pretty decent gift. It has a bit of classic wood grain on the sides and would suit an office desk or homework area pretty darn well. Connect via Bluetooth, RCA, or 3.5mm auxiliary jack, with a line-out option if you want to add an extra speaker or subwoofer. This little speaker pushes out 70 watts RMS of power through a couple of 4-inch woofers paired to a duo of 1-inch silk dome tweeters. Translation: crisp, distortion-free sound with all the highs, mids, and lows present and accounted for. Bringing up the rear is the Go-Tour telescopic fly fishing rod, which is pretty self-explanatory. It's a starter kit, so you get a 9.5 weight fly rod that's conveniently broken down into 4 pieces and fits in its very own carrying bag. There's even a compartment to house the fly reel, which comes pre-spooled with 100 feet of backing line and 50 yards of 20-pound taper leader. Another pouch on the side houses a tackle box with 8 dry flies, 8 wet flies, and a line cutting tool. Sadly, no extra space for a sandwich and a brewski. So, what do we like about these products? The $100 Amazon gift card, it's a no-brainer. Who wouldn't want to buy whatever they wanted for themselves? The Edifier D12 tabletop speaker is one that surprised us, actually. There are only 3 buttons on top controlling the bass, treble, and volume. We love simplicity, being fans of that old adage of KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. It also comes with a hand and remote control, too. It can also work as a bookshelf speaker. It's a little bit bigger and more robust than we thought, but better quality sound is never a bad thing. The Go-Tour telescopic fly fishing rod is nothing short of a terrific value. The fly rod is made from flexible but sturdy AM graphite with ceramic-coated stainless steel rod guides. The cork-handled grip is super comfortable, which is important when you're making cast after cast for hours on end. The included fly reel isn't a bad one either. Made from die-cast aluminum to keep the weight down without sacrificing any durability. The other bits and pieces that come with the kit mean that a beginner-level fly fisherman can make their way down to the local stream, lake, or river and start fishing right away, straight out of the box. So what's the downside? Our only real gripe with the Edifier D12 tabletop speaker was that line-out port. This is fine when connecting to another speaker, but the addition of a subwoofer to create a 2.1 system requires a line adapter or dongle in order to work properly. We really don't have a bad word to say about the Go-Tour telescopic fly fishing rod. For an inexpensive product, each component is very well made. Although intermediate-level fly fishermen may find the combo a little clunky and unwieldy, for someone just starting out, it's the perfect dip your big toe in the water to check the temperature type of entry-level product to see if fly fishing is something you might enjoy. So, what's the verdict? We have to say it again, $100 Amazon gift card? Awesome Father's Day present. We hope the kids are watching and take the hint. The Edifier D12 tabletop speaker is an absolute winner for the price, and something that only the surliest of poppies with no appreciation of music would frown at. A safe bet all around. And finally, the Go-Tour telescopic fly fishing rod was the diamond in the rough. If your dad's the outdoorsy type, this would be the perfect present. Who knows? He might even bring home dinner. For a more Dungeons and Dragons and World of Warcraft orientated dad, not so much. We give all of this week's products a rating of 5 stars each. It's a new record. We're sure any of these products would make a great Father's Day gift. And these amazing Father's Day special products and cash could be yours. We'll be giving each one away to one lucky subscriber. The rules for this giveaway are a bit different, so now would be a good time to stop multitasking. Although we're giving away 3 amazing items for Dad, you can only enter to win one of them. So choose your hashtag carefully. To enter to win any of these amazing products, the rules are very simple. Just subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review that relates to the prize you want to win for Dad. I hope you're paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. Please remember, 1 hashtag per person. We'll then select our 3 winners at random and announce the winners exactly a week from now, just in time for Father's Day. Good luck! If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.